It's a theory that might help us understand the political, economic, social and philosophical wackiness of the times that we're living through. Natural law is a theory in philosophy that says that all humans are born with an inherent universal set of moral rules that govern human conduct. These laws aren't imposed by governments or imposed by courts, but are our inherent sense of right versus wrong, or justice. The concept of natural law was addressed by the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, the Roman philosopher Cicero, and even impacted the founding of the United States. It's based on the idea that everyone in society shares the same idea of what constitutes right and wrong, and that everyone wants to live a good and innocent life. That this is the basis of a universal shared morality. Part of natural law involves natural rights, such as those expressed in the United States Declaration of Independence in the first paragraph, written by Thomas Jefferson. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Rob McMullen, welcome to the Other Side Interviews.
Thanks for having me.
Good to have you. Rob, basically, that was a definition of natural law. What is the definition of natural law that you hold as somebody who's involved with the Natural Law Institute?
Well, interestingly, the first thing I could say is I'm pretty sure the original quote from Jefferson was the Lockean version was life, liberty, and the pursuit of property.
Pursuit of property.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they changed it to happiness?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. Someone fact checked me on that, but I'm pretty sure from memory, the Lockean quote was life, liberty, and property.
Okay, so property rights are core to the philosophy of liberalism that we talk about a lot on this show. Mm-hmm. But natural law is its own sort of philosophical school, right?
Well, look,
I'm thinking.
The term itself refers to different things, so there's a lot of confusion. In the first instance, we all know there are laws of nature.
Yep.
Which we can discover through science.
Yep.
So in the first instance, you're talking about gravity, electromagnetism, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
Atomic forces, that sort of thing. So there are laws in nature. Human beings, being a subset of nature, there are tendencies, if not laws, there are definite tendencies that we can rely on that govern our behaviour.
Right.
And in the third instance of thinking about that concept is the idea that you can't ultimately escape the laws of nature. They will impose their consequences whether we acknowledge them or not.
Right.
So if we wish to not fall afoul of the negative consequences of violating the laws of nature and human beings as we can understand them, then we should optimize our cooperative and legal systems to incorporate our knowledge of that.